A federal judge has set the date for Trump's election interference trial in Washington, D.C. as March 4, 2024. Prosecutors want a hearing as soon as possible on the grounds that Trump's social media attacks could affect the jury pool. The Justice Department's lawsuit will be the first of 4 criminal cases brought by Trump. Prosecutors filing criminal charges against former President Donald Trump are using his social media posts against Trump, arguing that his attacks on the cases mean cases should be tried as soon as possible. Molly Gaston, Deputy Attorney General of United States, who works for Special Counsel for the Department of Justice Jack Smith, voiced claim at a hearing before U.S. District Judge Tanya Chutkan in federal court in Washington, D.C. on Monday morning. She argued that Trump's frequent attacks on judge, witnesses and the city of Washington, D.C. potentially damaged jury pool. Federal prosecutors allege that Trump broke the law by engaging in a conspiracy to prevent Congress from ratifying current President Joe Biden's electoral victory. Prior to the trial, each of Trump's defense attorneys and prosecutors suggested very different trial dates. Prosecutors said case should stand trial in January 2024, leaving Trump behind 3 other pending criminal cases and ensuring that case concludes well before November 2024 presidential election, when Trump is ahead for Republican nomination. Trump's lawyers have suggested that the trial date be 2026. If Trump wins the 2024 election, it is almost certain that he will delay his presidency or try to forgive himself. Chutkan ultimately set a trial date on March 4, 2024, one day before Super Tuesday. He said he had already briefed New York Supreme Court Judge Juan Merchan, who set a March 25 hearing date for a separate criminal case against Trump. Lucien Chalfin, spokesman for the New York State court system, told Insider that the date for Trump's trial in Manhattan has not changed. Judge Merchan and Judge Chutkan talked about the upcoming hearings last Thursday. Chalfin told Insider, "There is nothing more to say about the people of New York State and Donald J. Trump at this time. Trump's use of social media has already caused legal headaches. Thasos Katapodis judges have already tried to rule on Trump's breathtaking posts. Trump's social media posts often cause legal headaches for him and his lawyers. In a criminal indictment brought against him by Fulton County District Attorney Fani Willis for attempt to spoof Georgia's 2020 election results, prosecutors cited his tweets as examples of involvement in the alleged racketeering conspiracy. The judges noted that its huge public platform means it can effectively send messages to jurors or potential jurors. Earlier this year, during the hearing of E. Jean Carroll's civil sexual misconduct lawsuit against Trump, Carroll shared on Truth Social that Carroll's allegations were a fabricated scam. Minutes later, U.S. District Judge Lewis Kaplan, who